Hello, we're gonna show you how to fix a power steering pump on a 2007 Honda Odyssey right here. So first, we're gonna take this thing off, and then we have to screw these things. So we're gonna screw it a quarter, 1/4. We're gonna screw it a quarter, then we're gonna take it off. Okay. Okay. Okay, so what you're gonna do next is we're gonna find the power steering pump. It's right here, right there. See how much dirt and oil is leaking out of it? Yes. We have to bleed the power steering pump fluid from the pump. Drain the system. First, you have to take off the upper reservoir hose clamp. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get this thing and you're gonna clamp it on this, just like that, and then wiggle it off. There we go. And then you're gonna wiggle it off. It's my sister's bike tire. It was flat anyway, so I guess we could have used it anyways. Okay, so first on one end of the bike tire, we're gonna put it in the milk jug. Yeah, put it in there. There we go. And we'll put that down and rest it. And then on the other end, you'll be putting this thing in here, and yeah, when it comes out. Okay, so everything's hooked up. The reservoir hose, upper reservoir hose is hooked up by this thing with my sister's tire, and it's all in. The whole tire's, most of the whole tire's in, and now all we gotta do is stop the engine so we could make it bleed. See, we turn on the engine and press the gas a little bit, and out came all this fluid from the thing. So we bleeded it. Out came all this fluid. Okay, so now I forgot to tell you the thing that this goes on before you press the gas. We got a plastic bag and a zip tie, and we put it around it, and we left the cap off. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off this the pipe, the hose, I think. And then so I'm gonna squeeze this, and then wiggle it off. This is a big one. Right there. Now I'm gonna take it off. Ooh, there we go. Got it off. And yeah. Now we're gonna take off the bolts to the power pusher line. So yeah, I'm gonna go like this. Gonna get it. Okay. Let me do the other one. There we go. The bolts are out. Now we're gonna take off the pusher line. There we go. I put it right on there. Next, you're gonna take off the belt with a 17-inch wrench. Right there. Unfortunately, we can't get to the belt tensioner from the top, right there. So you have to go from the bottom and get it. Belt's right there. Next, we're gonna take off the pulley from the pump. To remove the pulley, we're gonna have to put a screwdriver in here and a crack ball, and we're gonna crack it off. There we go. Yep. So what you're gonna do next is, so I got the nut off. Got that right there. Got the nut off. Take out the screwdriver. There you go. Now I'm gonna use a sledgehammer to get it loose, and then you're gonna take it off with your hands. There you go. And then you go there. So what you're gonna do now is you're gonna get a 12mm socket, and you're gonna there's two bolts here. There's one right there, and there's one under right there. And you're gonna take it out with this thing. I took both bolts off right here. Yeah. Now I'm gonna take the power steering pump off. Sturdy thing. Ooh, sturdy. I'm gonna put it down here. This is the new power steering pump, and this is what I'm gonna put back on what I took off. Just reassemble everything we took apart in reverse order. Just like that, we're done. So here's the old one. Or the black rusty, and there's the new one, nice silver clean one. So it's all ugly. See all that junk inside? That looks ugly. I don't know. Flip this again. And this is cool too. You would like to see this too.